Welcome to our Bangkok Property Tour December edition. So today we have about 10 investors who are interested in Bangkok properties, and we will be visiting some fresh from the oven projects. Green Lung of Bangkok. They have a name for it called Bangkok Chow. Okay, so that is a place where locals will head to if they want to cycle, they want to breathe in a lot of fresh air, right? They will head over there to relax on the weekend. So right now we are at Ekamai district. We just finished our lunch. Okay, we will be visiting two projects in Ekamai. Okay, why two? Okay, one is nearer to the BTS station. The other one is on the other end of Ekamai Road. We want to bring investors to walk the ground to see for themselves which is a better location. Of course, both developers are different. Okay, you can see the difference in quality, the facilities, the amenities. So they have a better gauge of which they prefer. So the first one we are going, which is nearer to the BTS station, will be reference Ekamai. Okay, it's by SC Asset, a big property developer in Bangkok. Good morning! We are now at day 2 of our Bangkok property tour. So we are in fact right now back at Prakanong station, okay, to visit a brand new fresh from the oven project by Origin Development, okay, located along Sukhumvit Road. Okay, so it's like in between Prakanong and Onut. Okay, so if you don't want to stay in the expensive places like Thonglo or Ekamai, alright, then you got to watch out for this. Silom is in fact very near to popular shopping centre like MBK, Siam area, and then it's also connected to the main BTS Green Line. So getting around is so easy. If one day I want to cross the mirror, I can also take the same line, go straight down towards Serpan Taksin, and there I am at Icon Siam. Yeah. So it's very convenient. It's like in the middle of Bangkok as well. Okay, if you understand Bangkok well enough, you will find that actually Bangkok getting around is very, I would say, quite near, but what makes it far is the traffic jam. So try to get on the train rather than take the Grab. We are now going to the last project of the day called Shus Ratchathiri. So we are right now at the linkway of MRT Silom and BTS Saladeng. We are heading to the last project, which is a very good location personally. Okay, it's connected, you know, to the BTS, both Payathai and Ratchathani, and it's also connected to airport rail link, which links to Suvarnabhumi Airport. Okay, so if you want to travel around like a tourist, okay, that is a perfect location to stay.